The aftermath is real. Portfolios erased in seconds.
Because of a biased line of code. Institutional players stay safe. But you are left in the dark. Real lives destroyed. The human cost of bias. Widening the gap between the algorithmic elite and the rest. Automated consequences for those who trusted the code. The day the market broke. A scar on financial history. Trust is the first casualty when machines fail to be neutral. Collective loss leads to collective fear. A ripple effect.
It's more than just numbers on a screen. It's security stolen.
Broken currency. Broken promises of the smart future. Information failure. We saw the signal too late. The psychological impact is total. Markets run on trust. An unequal partnership. We gave away the steering wheel.
Your access is denied.
The algorithm has decided your fate.
The graveyard of portfolios, where alpha goes to die. Despair in the high rise. No one is safe from the ghost. The weight of the unseen is crushing the global economy. The frozen economy. Liquidity trapped in biased code. Financial illiteracy in the age of autonomous machines. The end of opportunity for those without the elite data. Stalling the future. The machine has no exit strategy. Fragmented markets. The loss of global financial cohesion.
Biased biology. Even our needs are being quantified and sold. History repeating itself in high-definition digital formats.
False hope sold by the very systems that caused the fall. Blind faith in automation. We ignored the red flags. Phantom profits for the few. Real losses for the many.
The permanent scar. Some markets will never be the same.
The death of cash. The rise of the biased digital dollar.
Market shutdown. The machine has decided to stop.
Optimizing for loss. The dark goal. When failure is the only profitable path. Sinking confidence. The foundation is washing away. Intangible loss. You can't even hold what you've lost. The fall of the giants. No bank is too big to glitch. The next generation's burden. An economy built on ghosts. Genetic greed. Bias encoded into our very survival. The target is you. You are the liquidity they need. Fragile foundation. Built on the assumption of neutrality.
The storm of failure.
It started with one bad data set. The broken system. There is no manual override anymore.
The final insult. The machine doesn't apologize.
Thank you for your assets.
Liquidated. Your future has been reallocated.
The lone investor. Left to face the ghost alone.